Okay, Ben, good morning. How are you? And welcome to your next lesson. We're just through with having your exam. I hope it went well. And this time we're gonna continue your lessons in mathematics. Okay, so today our lesson is about changing decimal number into percent. Okay, and after that we're gonna do the vice versa. We're gonna change percent into decimal number. Okay, so for now we're gonna deal with this first. Don't worry because it won't. This won't take long, and it's very easy. Okay, so we have here, for example, a decimal number. Okay, 0.55. Now, how do we change decimal number into percent? Now, this number is 0.55 is 0.4. Now, how do we change this decimal number into percent? Now, it's very easy. How? First, let's move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. Okay? Or move the decimal point 2 units to the right and drop the decimal point, change it into percent. Okay? So the point here is the decimal symbol, while this is percent sign. Okay? Now, to change this decimal number into percent, what are we going to do? Just move the decimal point 2 steps to the right, drop the point and change it into the percent symbol. So if we're gonna answer this, from here, 2 units or 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. So this one put is here, but we have to drop this, change that into percent. Okay, so our answer will be 55%. Okay, that's it. That's how you change decimal number into percent. Let's have some more examples. Okay, so we have here a decimal number which is 0.2. We want to change this number into percent. So how? The same method or procedure. Just move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. Drop the point and change that into percent. Now let's do that. Okay, from here, 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. So we have here a blank place value. So all we need to do is just put some zero on it. Okay. So the decimal point is here. So what are we going to do is drop the decimal point and change that into percent. So it becomes 20%. Okay? So 0.2 becomes 20%. How? Because we change that using this method. Okay? So let's have some more example. How about if we have 0. Okay? So we have here now a 4-digit decimal number. And we want to change this into percent. So the same method, the same procedure. Just move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. So let's do that. So from here, 1, 2. And our decimal point now is between 4 and 5. Now we can no longer drop the decimal point because we have a number after it. So all we need to do is just put a symbol of percent here. So it becomes 34.56%. Okay? So let's have some more example. 0.001. Okay? So we have here a number, a decimal number that we want to change it into percent. So the same procedure, how? From the decimal point, just 2 steps to the right. Now let's do that. 1, 2. Okay. So our decimal point here is between 0 and 1. We can no longer drop that because we have a number after the decimal point. So all we need to do is erase this, and it becomes 0.2% here. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, let's have some more example. Okay, we have 456.3, and we want to change that into percent. The same procedure. How? By moving the decimal point to the right. 2 steps, 1, 2. So we have a blank number here for our place value. So what we need to do is put some 0 on it. And we have here the decimal point. So we can drop now the decimal point because there are no numbers after it, and change the decimal point into percent. So that is your answer. Okay? So it becomes 45,630%. Okay? So very easy, right? To change decimal number into percent, just move the decimal point to the right. Okay? If you have here 0.73, okay? Just move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. Okay? So the decimal point here, and drop that, change it to percent. So 0.73 times 50%. Okay? That's it. Now, how about what are we going to do if we want to change percent into a decimal number? Okay, so this time we want to do the opposite, changing percent into decimal number. Okay, from percent we want to change it into a decimal number. So how? Just do the opposite, or we're gonna do the reverse. For example, we have here 98%. Okay, so we have here a percent number. We want to change this into a decimal number. So how? Just do the reverse. Drop the percent sign and move 2 steps this time to the left, and that will be your decimal point. Okay, so again, all we need to do is drop the percent sign. Okay, and from here, move 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. That will be your decimal point. Okay, so that's your answer. Let's have some more example.
How about the 105%?
Now, how do we change that into a decimal number? Simple and easy. Just drop the percent sign, and from there, move the decimal point to the left. Okay, 2 steps to the left. Let's drop this percent sign, and from where it's located, let's count 2 steps to the left. 1, 2, and that will be your decimal point located. It will be located. Okay, so our answer will be 1.05. Let's have some more example.
How about the 2%? Okay.
So 2%, you want this number, you want to change this number into a decimal number. Okay, so what you need to do is the same. Drop this percent sign, and from where it is located, 2 steps to the left. Okay, so let's count from here. 1, 2. So we have here a blank number. All we need to do is just put 0 so that we have 2 steps. Okay, and here will be your decimal point. Okay, it becomes 0.02. Okay. Easy, right? Now let's have some more examples. So we have here 5,984%. Let's change this into a decimal number. Okay, so same procedure. Drop the decimal point at the percent sign, and from there, let's count 2 steps to the left. So from here, 1, 2. It becomes 59.84. Okay, so let's have some more example. Okay, 607%. So again, drop the percent, and from there, count 2 steps. 1, 2. Okay, easy, right? How about this? 3%, very easy. Drop the percent sign and 2 steps to the left. 1, 2, here, and we still have a 1 step here, so just add some 0. Okay, so that will be your answer. So that's how you change percent into a decimal number. Okay, just drop the percent sign, and from there, just count 2 steps to the left. Okay, so that's it for now. Then, see you to your next lesson.